Daughter, water the vegetables well? Come on, let's go home now. Mom, you wash the vegetables. Dad and I make vegetable bags. Make all the preparations quickly. People have already come to buy vegetables. This is the vegetable. Hold it. Rats are running around in my stomach. When will you give me food? What are you watching? Comment quickly for the next episode. Minyu, daughter. There is a lot of work today, and we have to completely rebuild our house today. Daughter, you know we have to plant vegetables in the field today. Keep mixing well, daughter. Minyu, take this tile and put it down carefully.
Come on, both Minyu and Minyu Mother. Pull the rope with all your might.
Thank God Minyu Father built our home.
Thank God my house is so beautiful. I am very happy today.
I'm thinking about growing vegetables near my house. I am very happy to see this beautiful house, and we will do a lot of work here.
The food's delicious. Let's start eating.
Hey, what are you watching? Comment quickly for the next episode.